I'm creating a humidity tray for my plants that I keep indoors. I got this fish bowl from the Dollar Tree and I picked up the river stones from Hobby Lobby. If you don't know, a humidity tray creates an environment around plants that need moisture but not direct moisture. They don't want water or moisture sitting in the pot or around the roots. That would cause the roots to pretty much decay or mold and cause the plant to die. So it creates a moist environment or a humid environment around the base of the plant. I'm making 3 trays, one for my money tree, one for my ZZ plant, and another for the Pilea or Pilea plant. They are all low maintenance, which I need because I'm super busy all the time. And I keep them on my dining room table, which is right next to my sliding glass door. This is the Pilea or the Pilea. You can see that I didn't put too much water, but just enough to slightly cover the top layer of the stones.